Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do this fancy light sweep on your metallic enamel pins. It really adds a great touch to your design and I think it's really eye-catching. So we can begin by going into Illustrator and having your two layers separated. You have to separate your enamel layer and your gold layer like so. They have to be different layers. That's really important. You can see the layers in the bottom right screen. You have to save it as an AI file. Then you can go into your After Effects and create a new composition. You have to or a new project. Then you create a new composition, 1080 by 1080 for Instagram. And you double click this area and then you search for your file. I named mine Star Jar, and as you can see there's a little folder on the left there where you can just drag and drop your files. They'll be right there, and you can see that they have the two layers. Just so you can unlock it and lock it, and then you take the gold layer and search for in your effects and presets CC Light Sweep. This applies the shine effect onto your metal plating. Then under the tab for your layer you can go to your effects and CC Light Sweep. Then you have to move it all the way to the left in this little center button, and you click the little clock thing and it locks it in place. Then you can move forward a little bit, let's say 2.5 seconds, and just move it so it goes to the right and makes a nice clean sweep. And that should, you can try shortening your time, and you can see how it just goes on right there. It was a little slow, so we can try shortening it a little bit. You can always move the little keyframes, and whoops, right there you can see it shine. And nifty. Then as you can add that to any background as its own composition. Just add it to another project, maybe like anything really, and you can add text in the background. And as you can see, I did 3 shapes or 3 pins. You can do it with multiple shapes as long as it's on the same layer. So that's good, and that's really all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Bye.